Okay, we are going to do a really quick tidy up. The baby's sleeping. He's been sleeping for quite a while, so he could wake up any minute, but I am going to do a quick tidy and just bring you guys along. This is a pretty typical day, and this is what a quick house clean typically looks like for me. And this is definitely not like a deep cleaning video, but I'm just going to take you along, do a quick tidy, tackle this house. It's a mess right now, so let's do it. So I'm just doing super basic, quick tidy up, just picking everything up that's laying around, clearing off the surfaces like the kitchen island, the counters, the kitchen table that just tend to collect clutter. Just gonna wash a few dishes that are out. I spent the morning filming some YouTube videos, so it's just kind of a mess in here, and my baby is newly mobile, so he is just pulling everything out of everywhere that he can reach. So just kind of doing a quick reset, nothing super crazy. Okay, taking out the compost is both me and my husband's least favorite thing to do. We both put it off so long until it's like overflowing. So I'm going to do that and then rinse out the compost bin. Okay, I didn't want to vacuum because the baby's asleep. I much prefer vacuuming, but I do have the Norwex dry mop. I don't love it. I do like the wet mop attachment for it. I don't love the dry mop, but I'm just going to use that just because it is spring and my dog is tracking so much dirt in the house. I don't know if you can see how dirty the floors are. He just woke up. Honestly, he slept way longer than I expected him to, and I just got so much done. So that feels so good to just have like a productive, I think it was about 30-35 minutes. Speed clean. Honestly, when I just like focus and do those like quick cleans, that is a game changer in my day. I find so often I'm like, oh, he's about to wake up, there's no point in like doing anything productive, so then I just like sit and scroll on my phone, and then it ends up being like 30-45 minutes and I'm like, I could have done something. So I'm so glad when I do choose to be productive. I risk him waking up, and that's fine. He woke up happy, so I probably could have kept doing what I was doing. Sometimes he doesn't wake up happy and he wants to snuggle or nurse or whatever, which is also fine, and then I just take a break. But it always feels so good to just get a little bit of cleaning done, and now we can go into the afternoon and the evening with a clean house. I'm sure that he's going to pull everything out again, but that's okay. That's okay. So I'll show you guys quickly what the house looks like now. Okay, so it's tidy. Definitely not perfect. That's okay. He's gonna probably pull all those toys off that shelf. There's still, I didn't vacuum because he was asleep. There's all this like Easter basket. What are you doing? As I was saying, there's all this like Easter basket grass. He'll for sure just like pull everything out of that Easter basket again, so not gonna worry about it. But yeah, everything's tidy. There's a little like windmill thing. I'm gonna bring that outside when we go outside. But just reset everything for the afternoon to make dinner, and feels a lot better. Say bye-bye. Say thanks for watching. Bye-bye.